All right, so welcome to week 10. Congratulations, you've made it to the last week of the course. This week you might find a little bit easier, a little less work to do, a little less intensive work to do, but it's also a week to kind of reflect, sit back and reflect on what you learned in the course for the last 9 weeks. So you also have, of course, you have some readings. What would college be without some readings? You've got a video, which is called the Toolkit for Navigating the VUCA World. So make sure you watch that video. You also have a really short paper due, and this is again reflecting back on your week one paper. And really, what I'm looking for there is what you learned, how you found it to be beneficial. Also, you feel free to say, I don't find any of it beneficial, but just tell me why. So feel free to kind of use that as an open canvas. You get your chance to give me your last video, so make sure you record your video. Most importantly, remember we did this back in week one on your video introduction. Make sure when you do that that you hit submit as well. So that's also due. And then you have your Excel skills. Some of you've completed that. And remember, please, when you open it up, the instructions to get into it is back into week one. So if you don't remember how to get back into the Wiley Plus, those instructions is back into week one. It is a free course. You do have to put it in your shopping cart. There's a code. Make sure you dream the code. Don't pay anything extra. And you only have to do for this course the first two milestones or the first two chapters, whatever it's called. It's pretty painless. If you have had some Excel experience in the past, then it'll be very, very quick for you. If you choose to complete the whole thing, make sure you take a screen print because then you can use it throughout your MBA classes. So keep that in mind. The only thing I need, you won't get a certificate because you're not 100% completing it. There's a dashboard that shows that you completed Module 1 and Module 2. Take a screen snippet of that, upload it, and I will give you your grading on that. So that's all I had for this week. I'll finish your week 9 submissions and get those back to you as quickly as I can. If you can also get some of your week 10 items out of the way, then I'll get some of those scored and back to you. I've got a relatively short window to get the grades submitted next week. But the more we kind of get graded and scored, any late assignments, try to have those into me this weekend, latest by Sunday evening, and I can get those scored as well and get the grade book updated. Otherwise, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, call me, text me is the best way. You can also send me an email. So otherwise, have a great rest of your week. Hope everyone's doing great. Cheers. Thanks for coming to the class. Take care. Bye-bye.